take my laptop out of my bag.
To do this video.
Huh?
I took it out to do this video. I'm recording a part for the speed test. This is on a USB 2.0 port as well. This is not USB 3.0. Let's do this one more time just to make sure there's no flukes or anything. This is a USB 3.0 10, 100, 1000 USB Ethernet adapter, and we're running it on a USB 2.0 port on a Dell. Pretty impressive. I'm happy with those numbers. If this was a USB 3.0 port, I would be able to achieve my maximum of 120 down and 25 up. That's what I get on my ASUS G74SX, which does have a Gigabit connection and a USB 3.0 port. Alright, that's it. Same test multiple times.